Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your soundbar to your PlayStation 5. So if I go up to the top right here and go to Settings, and then scroll on down to Accessories and go to the right, go to Bluetooth Accessories. If I go to Accessories Found and I try to connect to my Samsung soundbar under here and register it to my PlayStation 5, it says PS5 doesn't support Bluetooth audio accessories. So there is a solution that's still connected. So here's my Samsung soundbar. I actually have a little 3.5mm jack, which is indicated by auxiliary in. I can plug this cable into it and then plug the other end into my PlayStation 5 controller. So this will be similar to connecting a wired headset. So here's my controller now, and I'm gonna simply just plug this in. So now I want to go to the Samsung soundbar and go to power, and I want to go to the auxiliary in setting, so I'm going to press the F key on here and then go to auxiliary. Make sure my sound isn't muted. I can see it's muted, and boom, I have audio for my PlayStation 5 and my soundbar is technically connected. So this is one possible solution to connect your soundbar to your PlayStation 5. Just connect it like a wired headset if you really need audio. But the easiest way would be to connect this auxiliary cable to the back of your TV and the headphone jack, or just connect it via Bluetooth and then just run the audio from the PlayStation to the TV and then out through your soundbar. And this should allow you to use your PlayStation 5 with your soundbar as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.